I cannot open tab to help.
You can do it. You can open the bottle.
Ah,
Okay. And watch out for your teeth.
yes. Wait a second. I will go for the open, right?
How many do you have?
You can welcome our viewers back to time.
Okay, this is really spontaneous, I would say. Stream where I will try to learn a little bit of Godot, just for fun. Just for fun. I already installed Godot.
I'm back.
Hey,
I am very back.
in one piece.
Alright. Alright. Came on. So what we are doing today?
So this is going to be my first project in Godot. Godot.
Alright. Godot.
And
Godot.
I need some help.
Professionally.
I need some help to understand how to work with it. Maybe you can help me.
Let's see what we can do. Let me open my project first and I will be able to help you, alright?
We can do copy and
So
paste.
Alright, your project will look just amazing by the end, like thousands of nodes and stuff. There will be a lot of scripts if you will be able to make some full game in the next time, you know.
Okay.
It will be a lot. But for now, let's start with the basics. I told you earlier about the nodes. Car has wheels and engine. Car is the body. And the engine and wheels are children of his body. Parents and children concept just easily explained.
Yep. So there are notes here indeed.
You will need to make new project. Then you go to the 3D node.
Okay. So let's assume this is my new project.
Alright, and now you click the 3D node. Or if you already created something, you delete the base node and add the node 3D in its place. Node 3D, by the way, is the most basic 3D node in his world.
Okay, Godot. So I had to search for 3D node?
Yes, node 3D node.
Node. Or node. And then 3D. Node 2D, node 3D. Okay.
You double click it and now you can change your view from 2D or script to 3D.
I'm clicking too much. Okay, so I'm in 3D.
I how it disappear.
This is amazing. There's a sun. So each node, which if I want to do a box, how can I do a box, for example? I don't know.
Box is a very advanced construct for you at least, because you need three things: a mesh, static body 3D node, and collision shape node. Search them up. So you start with static body. You want a moving box or just a box?
Maybe just a box for now, yeah? Make it simple.
Alright. You need to make the static body 3D.
Okay.
node cheat sheet. You added it.
So it's inside.
Alright. Now you need to add mesh node under the static body
Ah.
3D node.
Okay. Mesh. Which one? Mesh.
Just mesh instance 3D.
Okay. Okay.
And then
Mm-hmm.
in the instance, you need to click on the right. You got the inspector. It inspects all the possible values that your object can have. So you need to go to the next in the mesh instance 3D section. Click the empty window next to the mesh in gray letters. Then click new box mesh. That pop-up menu, I mean. You click the arrow next to that empty window in the mesh instance 3D section.
Yeah. Right.
Then next box mesh.
Box.
Not right.
Hmm.
New box mesh. You created it?
No.
Like, you got the mesh 3 instance 3D section, right?
Yes. Mesh instance 3D.
Just below it, you got mesh in gray letters, right?
Where?
Just below it. Just below the label.
Hmm.
Above skeleton and below mesh instance 3D.
Where is it? Which side of the screen? Would be nice if you can actually draw on my screen.
Right.
Ah,
I
on
wish
the
it
right.
could.
Inspector.
Mesh instance 3D
Ah, skeleton.
section
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah. Okay, no, I see. So skin.
over skeleton. Not his. Over the skeleton.
Over
You can see
skeleton.
the
Mesh. Mm-hmm.
You click that arrow on the right, and now you select next new
New box mesh.
box next. Yes.
Ah. Oh,
Ta-da!
easy.
Now if you will click the box in that
First box.
little windows, in that little window that was appeared next to that arrow that you created it by, you can change its double click it. If it will highlight in blue, then you can, for example, change its materials.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I can.
You have it.
I'm not sure. Where is it? So many options here. My first time seeing this. So you said that there should be material here.
It has same. You see it has same place where you created the mesh, right? On the right part of the screen.
Yeah.
In the inspector. You click once on the mesh, the little over like a little view window that looks like a mini version of that cube, and now you click it. If it's when the expanded list appears, you need to go to the bottom above the resources, I guess. And you got the material, right? Like it's empty.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You click it.
And which one? New standard material?
New standard material, yes.
And
now we go into some texturing theory. Like you have seen on C64, it's not bits anymore. It's a lot of values now. But the most basic that you need to know are transparency, albedo, and metallic. The most basic values for me.
Okay, so I can change the color here.
Albedo changes the color.
Nice. Okay, I like this one. Then transparency, yes. I can do
In transparency, it's like cooling modes and everything. You cannot do that here, I guess.
Okay.
But it was somewhere. You can change the metallicness of it, cube, I guess, for now.
Okay, and the shading is here. This is
Yes,
shader of the
everything.
box.
Yes,
Metallic.
transform even.
Metallic. Texture. I can
Yes.
put the texture.
Even the texture. If you have some image, you can try drop the Godot icon on it, I guess.
Yeah.
It will
Okay.
work.
Okay. Let's keep it like this then. Okay, so I have
And
a box.
you need one last thing, that is the collision shape. So it will be a basic, for example, basic ground or something. First, we could make something like a ground for our game, literally.
Oh yeah, I want to have a ground. Yeah, indeed. So
So
I will create another node maybe, and then the box will be
yes,
on this ground. Yeah.
repeat all the steps that I said for now. And now in that blue window where you will change the texture and stuff, instead of clicking the material, try to change. Let me just see. Just change scaling. As I remember.
Mesh. And it will be mesh instance again.
Yes.
Okay, so now mesh will be box. Yeah, it's a box.
Yes.
Oh, I can move it. I'm just a little bit lost, but yeah. I don't know where is 0 or where it's not 0, but I will get to that later. Okay, I listen.
So you need where you make the texture, right? Instead of choosing the material now, try to scale it. You got scale meters right here where you can input the numbers X, Y, and Z. It's above custom IABB.
Custom IABB. On the right side?
Under it, yes, on the right side. In the inspector, let's say. Yes, keep talking like that. Like it's inspector just basically.
Yeah, so I see skeleton, surface, geometry, visibility, layers, sorting.
You need to click the little preview of that mesh again.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see X now.
And now you can scale it to your likeness. Like I got my ground somewhere between 100 meters and 90 meters.
Okay. And why it doesn't change? I thought that my box will change already.
It should, but you did IABB or you did something else?
AABB.
No, it's just a mathematical stuff that I don't even understand.
Uh-huh.
It's all for that full strom cooling. It's for the light stuff, you know. I read now. You can see all the stuff.
Size. Yeah, this one.
Size.
Yeah,
yes.
Okay.
You can also hold down the left mouse button and just move it to the sides. And you will.
Damn, this is amazing. Okay. So now I have this surface.
How much meters?
100 by 100. And
Alright.
1 meter up.
It should be. No, you. I guess you got the error on your static on your static body 3D thingy, right?
I see alert on box.
Yes. Now you need to you like static body 3D is nested inside the cube, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now you need to nest in the collision shape 3D into the static body 3D.
Okay, so how to do it? I have to.
A little plus in the left right corner, left upper corner. I mean, sorry.
Okay. On static body 3D.
Yes, you need to nest it into it.
Mm-hmm. And what I should search
No.
for?
And now you spawned it, right? You, you just added it, or you were okay. What do you want to say? Like you added it, or you got some problem?
Yeah, what I should type in?
You can search for it.
For what?
But like looking for collision shape 3D.
Ah, collision shape. Okay, yes. Okay, create. And now there's an
Like
alert
it's
here.
Right, next alert. Now you need to do the thing in the inspector. The same that you did with creating the mesh, right?
Mm-hmm.
So treat yourself again. But now, instead of creating a mesh, click on the collision shape 3D in the scene inspector, like on the left, and in the normal inspector on the right,
Mm-hmm.
click shape. Once, a little alert warning next to it, and click new box shape 3D.
Yeah, okay, I have it. It's just below. I don't know why.
And now you need to change its properties again. Click on the preview ones of that little one in the inspector. And now change its size to the same as the static bodies. I mean the mesh.
So which one should I change? The box or the
Collision shape.
the collision? Okay, the collision. And transform or
you need to click not the transform. You need to under the collision shape 3D. You need to click that shape arrow next to the shape. New create new box shape 3D. And click on that little preview. Not that preview, but the name that appeared in the preview. And now change the size to the 100 by 100, as you would do it with the box.
But I have to do it in. I need to move this collision to the other object because my second object is the ground.
Yes.
Can I do like this?
Like no. You need to move it to the ground, I guess.
Yeah, I move it to the ground right now. Can I actually rename
What?
it? Rename.
Yes.
So I will just add
You need
ground for now. Maybe I will remove this node 3D, but let's keep it.
click twice on the.
Yeah, I changed it. But we do have some delays, so
alright.
you cannot see everything. Hello, Alchemist.
Hello.
How are you doing?
We are doing some Godot stuff over here.
We are
by the
trying
way.
some 3D. It's fun. I don't know
Finally.
anything, but Milo knows everything.
Not everything, but pretty a big amount of things over here.
So now I have 100 by 100. Oh, it's a little bit off.
Yes. Oh, really?
Yeah, look. Here.
Like
That's funny.
if you got it a little bit off, like it's orange or it's blue, just blue.
It's blue.
If it's orange, alright, and it's sticking out of the shape. And maybe you moved it a little bit. Now you need to transform, click transform into node 3D in the inspector and zero its position.
1 1 1 1. It's all 1 1, so it should be the same.
It needs to be zero. The starting number is zero, remember.
But for both is 1. Oh, no, this is the.
Should be zero. The start of the word, not in text box, but the ground, I mean. Box can stay. It's a nice box. It didn't misbehave for now. But it will, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but where is this in collision? Something is wrong with this one, but I don't know which. Where is this one?
One. Like node 3D, transform and position.
Node 3D.
In the inspector.
Transform 0 0. Yeah, it starts from 0. Everything from 0.
And it looks good or it's sticking out.
Yeah, it doesn't look good. The blue collision is a little bit right, 1 meter right, I think, in both positions. Because it's a relative position? No.
Yes.
But
Like it's
transform is 0.
yes.
But the collision
Right,
shape has position 0. If I will move it to 1, then I have to do -1. That's weird.
Yes, because it's a screen shape stuff. You can use the gizmos in the right upper corner to see what axis you need to operate on. By clicking the gizmo, you can also adjust the view in the main port. Just click it and it will change. Boom, I got on the, I can see something on the X axis, on Y axis and stuff. So you have fixed the problem, right?
I don't know. Still looks a little bit off for me.
For now, let's don't mind it, right?
Now
No,
it's
let's
a little
get
bit, you see, it's a higher.
Hmm.
So
Like it's a little bit higher on. No, it's perfect for me. Like
no,
it
because
needs to be something.
I think the
The
blue
blue needs.
should be the same with the box.
Yes.
So it's not. It's 0,
1 meter, you say.
0. You see, if I do 0, 1, 1, 1. It's even worse.
Like maybe you messed up the scaling.
Scale is 1 1 1, and for mesh is what is it? I don't know if there is. And for static body, it's 1 1 1.
It should be good, I guess.
Transform 0. So it should be 0 everywhere.
Yes, not in the scale, of course, but in the position, just in the position.
So it's not good because I can move it manually.
I got some surprise for you because I don't mind it for now, alright? It's good if it's not broken, and it isn't, obviously. So I got surprise for you. We will do a player body today. It's pretty easy, really.
Okay.
Trust me. So you clicked Node 3D in the scene inspector, I mean. Not in the normal one, but the one on the left.
Which node?
You need
the first one?
The base node, yes. Now you need to create one node that is the how it was. Yes. In no. No. Body. It was, yes, character body 3D. Search for it.
Character.
It
Oh yeah, this one. Create.
now if you will create it, you can add a script. As I told you yesterday, you can add scripts in the normal inspector on the right. Just new script, and instead of creating it instantly, choose the preset.
Okay.
When you click when you choose the character body on the left, right?
Yeah.
On the left.
So new script.
Yes.
Okay. And you said that there is a preset.
You need to choose
Character body 3D basic
template.
movement.
Yes.
Oh, you
Now
have to...
create.
Okay. Okay. So this is the first code. Really nice.
Yes, you can also analyze it a little bit to get familiar with the code in the GD script. Like, what parts in the code interest you? I got my player open it right now.
Okay, so it uses deltas. I know a little bit about deltas.
Deltas is for timing, right? It's like it uses the timer that is building the computer to compute how much faster is the game.
Yeah,
Yes.
so then it's like when it's like online, then there is no lag because you can get the delta when the player should be. I think this also works like this.
No, if you can see the script, I can tell you something. Const, like it's a protected type variable.
Which could be private here, I think. But yeah, okay.
Yes. Var, the variable, it's universal type of variable, like you can put ints, floats.
Yeah, this is float.
Bools in it. Anything, just even game objects. And it will work. Like try to add something like var menu equals 1. It should work. Or any name you want to do. We can even do a simple script to print something in the console, I guess. So you want to do it?
Yeah, tell me what to do.
Let's see. If you, let's say that you got, alright, so there are functions instead of the instructions as in the assembler, right? You got function. What functions you got?
To load some data and then save it somewhere else.
No, like what functions really you got in that script?
In this script. So check for the floor. And if not
func, it should be have the prefix func on the red.
On the what? Red?
Red colored.
I don't see any red colored.
Maybe just me. Like func before some blue letters. Like on floor 100 input floor.
Which line?
Floor 100 floor input. Underscore, I mean by floor, you know.
Not sure if I follow, to be honest.
Like you could, alright, once again.
So this is a function, yeah? In line 12 we have a construct.
Yes.
No, it's actually a function. It's not a constructor.
Yes, for constructor for the function that makes the function work, in my opinion. Like it's 100 input, right? Or something like that. Physics process, for example, or
process? Physics process, physics. Yeah.
It's default function. I got some modified version of it over here by myself. So in my version, if not is on floor,
Mhm.
velocity.y,
Mhm.
and now we got to the operators. His minus equals, it's like,
Yeah, it's
uh,
decrementing.
yes, not decrementing, but like, uh, uh, subtract yourself and then write it down to his value.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's like
Yes,
y
yes.
is equal y minus this multiplication. Yeah.
So velocity y is like for the 3D objects, and 2D like for the physical stuff. That's why, for example, our character will fall. You got the gravity times delta. That's why it will speed up. By the time like you jump from the box, you will fall incrementally faster.
Yeah, yeah,
With
yeah.
the height.
The only
No,
thing
you go,
is that this velocity is probably public because it's the velocity of the object.
yes,
Yeah.
everything is public. If it's like if it's has no prefix, it's public.
Yeah.
If
That's
you see something like if input dot is action just pressed and then there's jump in the quote marks, then it's like
yeah.
it's a pretty advanced thing, but I will try to simplify it.
I wonder how
So
this is on floor works actually. But yeah, that's for later.
so you got input highlighted in green, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's a function, like basic function, basic node, for example, and it's event node, for example, input. It handles all the keys, all the joystick movements, all the mouse movements, even the accelerator in the phones. Then you got a dot, and it's like children version of it. Like
Yeah.
it's nested in the function trust nested multiple sub-functions.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You got is action just pressed. It checks if the jump in my case it jump, but in your it's just we accept, I guess. It's for the computer check if you pressed it, just pressed. So it literally if it's just pressed, not if you are holding it down, but it is pressed.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And it's on floor. It checks if you are colliding with the floor. Like you got logic operators here, if and and. If checks if you know how if works, right?
Yeah, sure. That's easy. It's just
No.
you left, right, up. Get vector from the keys, and then makes multiplication because of course it's 3D world.
Yes.
And...
As I said, there are functions and sub-functions, as I said, because you, for example, got direction dot x and it multiplies by speed, then it's like, oh, computer says like, oh, we need to make this player move by adding velocity slowly. When the player will press the button on the keyboard.
Nice.
Yeah, and then we got else. That stops the velocity.
I don't understand this one.
Moving.
If direction is different than vector 3, 0, then it will do something, but otherwise
It's interesting. It's interesting.
it will
Like
do move
it's
forward, toward.
move toward. It's like on global position. Like you need to. It tells the object to move. Like moved here in the global
Speed.
location. So
The speed is
you
constant.
got
Okay.
you got it on the far direction, right? All the stuff that you were curious about.
Mm-hmm.
So the transform basis is like it's global. basis is like origin but not so times vector 3. Vector 3 is a like next variable. It makes vector 3 is a constructor. It makes a vector 3 variable from 3 input variables. In this case, input to direction x, 0, and input to direction y, normalized. It's making so if you press this button and this button, don't go faster. For example, like in Doom, you had funny bug when you got speed when you were against the wall, right? It's about normalization. If you were normalized, that bug doesn't exist anymore.
Yeah, and the speed is
It
constant, so we would need to have some sinus or cosinus to do the
normalized.
trick.
It's just that.
Okay, cool.
So now we can. On the bottom, it's all the stuff. For example, I got crouching function.
Okay, so let's
now,
play it and see if it works. I have to save it.
no, not right now. Not right now. We need to make camera work. With all the rotation stuff under. So add to the player, you can add node, next node, called camera 3D.
Do I have to save it or something? Because
you can save it, of course. It's better to prevent stuff. Control S.
Yeah, but then it asks me where to save it. Should I save it here? I don't know. Res.
It's just scene. It saves the scene. As I told you, it's a group of nodes. Just save it. Now we can get to the player. You can add the node camera 3D.
Okay. Node.
And now you can try to create the move the camera to the player. Oh no, I forgot. You need also one thing in the player node that is nested. You need the collision shape 3D. It's a body of a player, literal body.
Makes sense. Collision 3D. Collision shape 3D. Okay.
And try to make the collider. For example, it's easy to say that you got two options: A, an pear shape, or B, you got eclipse shape, like not eclipse but cylinder. Oh, cylinder.
Okay, so let's do cylinder maybe.
I recommend pear shape because it's easier to use stairs, for example, and slopes.
Sphere, you mean? Sphere shape?
Not sphere shape. Needs, let me see, capsule shape.
Capsule, okay. Okay, so I have a capsule shape and the camera also needs to be connected to the player.
Yes, nested in. And the camera needs to be like moved a little bit to go to the 3D view.
Like this? Camera 3D.
And now move it a little bit inside the collider, like just perfectly on the edge. It should be fine. By using the arrows, not the ball, because it's imprecise to use just like gizmo. Arrows, I mean his gizmos that are looking like arrows. Because you will need to make it perfectly lined up with your capsule shape. Make it like so it looks a little bit like human. Make the camera on the height of the head.
So how should I do it then? Because I'm
you need
Hi Chris,
you need to somebody is watching?
Yeah, Chris from the Lost Sectors. It's a really nice old school YouTube channel. I really love it. So yeah, we are trying today to do some Godot. This is my first time actually, so I'm really struggling. But Milo knows a lot of stuff.
We are trying. Yes. I'm not a genius, but at least I know some stuff about the Godot.
Yeah.
So let me try to explain it. You need to move it by using the gizmo. That is that ball shape, right? You select that camera.
So what I
It's,
do? Can I just tell me what to do, then I will try to understand. Maybe that's
you see
that's easiest.
under the tabs of the scenes, you see that arrow like select mode. Yes,
Select node.
you can also press W, double view. I mean, it makes cursor work as a movement mode. In the movement mode, I mean.
But nothing happens. I don't know if I'm doing that in the correct screen.
You don't see?
No.
You chose the collision shape in the left inspector, right?
Okay, I already selected it now. Okay. And what's next?
And it showed up.
The
You need to use
inspector.
the no. You need to use the gizmo at least. You can also use the inspector, but it's harder a little
What
bit.
is gizmo?
His weird ball with all the measurement tools that you see in the main viewport. Like you got rotate with it, you can click the arrows and drag them to make it move. I recommend you, for example, moving the one arrow so you can at the time so you can place the camera down.
Okay.
You have done it, or you want to do it in the inspector? It should be easier for you, I guess.
I think inspector will be better because then I can put just the value, yeah?
Yes. By the way, if it's nested, then value I remember is local. If it isn't nested, then it's global. If it's nested like to the global node, then it's global.
Okay, I'm flying there.
So yes,
this is crazy.
of course, we need to fly. It's Godot. Right, you need to choose the node 3D, the most basic 3D node in the inspector when
and
you selected it.
transform.
Yes, and position. Add use the Z in the Z axis.
Oops, it's a -2. Oh no.
As I remember, it was yes, Y and Z axis.
And this is yeah, I don't know actually. 0, 0, 0 is here. So Y is he? Where is Y? -3? No, 3. Oh,
Y is like.
Probably I just don't see it.
Y is like size or depth. No, like let me re-explain.
Okay, I see it. I was just a little bit above. Y is just up.
Right?
Up. Okay.
Up down, and it is the depth.
All
right, so camera is placed.
Somewhere, yeah.
I think you want to do the mouse movement, like you can move the camera with no mouse. You can look with mouse, or you don't want it.
Yeah, I would like to move faster because it's just for me to slow. Oh yeah, I see camera. Maybe I
so you
the 0.5.
By the way, you can move faster. By the way, if you want to speed up in the flying mode, as you call it,
then control.
You can no, not control. You can always like hold right mouse button at the main window, the main viewport, and then through SD, and then you can. I forgot. You cannot scroll.
Yeah, I have to get a new mouse because my mouse is broken. So I use the.
By
Amiga,
the way,
Amiga mouse.
yes,
but it's a
very good mouse.
Wi-Fi mouse. So it doesn't have a third button.
So we scroll for the future. If we scroll, you can speed up your stuff.
Okay.
When looking that way.
But how can I, for example, do if I want to look from the top? I would like to reset myself to see from the top, and then I could reset myself to see from the Z. Is there a way like?
Oh, you see the gizmo in the right upper corner?
Oh yeah,
Click its axis.
exactly. Yeah.
It's
Oh, this is what I
it
was
will
looking
work.
for. This is really cool. Okay, cool. Thanks.
And hold it to hold the gizmo bar to reset it to the perspective view.
But I cannot walk then.
You can just hold the gizmo again. Like don't touch the axes, but to just drag the gray area.
Hmm.
It will reset
All
you
right.
to the perspective
I
view.
guess that's fine for now.
So the last thing I guess we are doing now before the playtesting of the game, your first game, I mean, is to make the camera move when you move the mouse.
Mm-hmm.
So you add the new script to the camera.
Yes, sir. Script.
Yes, sir.
Script. Okay, and there is a template for no default. So no, not really good. Anything good to use.
You need to use the default for now.
Okay.
I will tell you how to make it on my own example.
Okay, so I
open
have
my
some
script.
camera 3D.
You can I can teach you a little bit of GD script. Like you, I forgot. You can remove the camera script, I guess, because I got a better solution.
Okay.
Just click that little arrow next to the script and clear or wipe. I don't remember how it's called. And now go to the player script.
What
Is
happened?
where the one
I don't see
the script
any
just
notes anymore. Oh, it all
maybe
disappeared.
how.
Holy shit. I just wanted to close this script and everything disappeared.
Because you need this isn't the script, it's the scene.
Oh my
You
god.
need to change the view to get like 3D view back. You can switch from the script to the 3D and you need to open the scene. Reopen closed scene from the left upper main menu. You got it?
Ah, oh my god, this is confusing. Okay, but it's
Like-
here.
Alright.
Okay,
You got it
so I don't have a script. Okay.
You need to just tick that little scroll button, like that piece of paper next to the player node. It will open the script.
Sorry, where should I click?
In the left inspector.
Left inspector.
On the node.
On the
Like on
node.
that scroll icon. On the player.
Ah. This. No.
You see the script?
This is the physics process script, yeah. Which we talk about. before.
Someone will add to the... You got the 100 input script?
Hmm?
You got the 100 input script, yes? Or no?
I don't understand.
100 input function, like
Unhandled
you got
function script.
yes 100 input, it says
Okay.
in blue.
Which
You
line?
got it? It's in line 13 on me.
13 or 30?
13.
There is just this.
Alright, I want. Alright. You need to create it for. You need to be self-made man. You need to write it yourself. So you type in funk. F-F-U-N-C.
Funk, okay.
Pen. You got that floor. Like, you know what? Sign floor. I mean. 100. floor, input. It should autocomplete, by the way. If you see the autocompletion, just click it and it will make it happen. Click it twice or click it once, I don't remember.
I'm not sure what I should do, to be honest.
Alright. You've written func, right?
Yeah, I just did func, which should be private or
Space.
public. Mhm.
You don't need to like confirm it's public here.
Mhm.
Just you need to add a const to make it private. You know. But it doesn't matter for now. It's optimization stuff for later, right?
Okay.
Right?
So what next?
Floor sign.
Floor sign?
Floor sign. I mean.
Yeah,
Like,
maybe we can send it on Discord because
like it is next to the plus button on your keyboard. You know, under tab minus. On the same
underscore.
K.
You mean underscore?
Underscore, yes.
Okay, cool. Underscore. So it's like a private function or something, I guess.
It declares underscore declares that this function will be used for sure, and all the errors are intentional. It's needed because Godot it's really strict about you. It wants just it for your own good.
Okay, so underscore, and what should I write now?
100. It should
100.
autocomplete.
Yeah, it doesn't
and choose the-
actually. It doesn't autocomplete for me. No.
Like it's on new line. Everything on the new line under the stuff, right?
Yeah.
So next under store
Mm-hmm.
again
Mm-hmm.
and input.
Input.
Then brackets.
Mm-hmm.
You did the brackets.
Yeah.
Then event in the brackets.
With uppercase. First letter.
Lowercase.
Lowercase.
Small letters.
Event. Okay. And this is a type?
Then
Or no type.
this is like no, it isn't a type. It's a value.
Because normally
Like,
you could provide the type as well, yeah? Like for physics
It doesn't
process you have double.
It is. I don't remember. Like it's on like in C++. You can return values, but it's like different here.
Okay, we can
And
check it
by the way, you end all the blocks of code by double dot. Like you know what I mean. Not vertical double dots. I
Colon.
forgot of its
Colon,
name.
yeah? Colon sign.
Colon, yes. No, it's a independent block. Now you press enter.
Mm-hmm.
It will create that little nice space, not space but tabulation marking on the left. That little arrow that is being stopped, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's about organization. You need to nest your code well, or you will get some really ugly warnings.
Oh yeah, I actually put bracket, so then I can open and close bracket.
By the way, you don't do it like in C++. You need to make it bracketless because it's already in brackets. Like tabulation marks if it's in the block or it isn't.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be. I think, yeah.
Like you don't need to make the whole block in the brackets.
Yeah. I just like brackets, but I can also remove it.
I need to admit you need to remove it, I guess. It will give you some warnings.
But then you can only do one line, yeah, of the function.
No. You can do multiple.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I forgot that this is not C++, okay, or C#.
Like you need to make it like there are multiple levels of tabulation marks. You can press tabulation again, so it will make it marking if you don't have it already, and
Okay.
it will like you can delete it for now, like one that you created.
What
No,
exactly?
hmm. Now what you do need to do is yes, I forgot. You need to declare one variable. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
you
On the
need to
top,
declare on the top. Yes,
or it doesn't matter the
like
order. Oh, maybe actually this. I don't know how to move it. Maybe this should be below vector 3. Okay.
no. The function and stuff it's like independent until you got it on the right levels of
Yeah, but
tabulation
it just
marks.
looks good on to
Yes,
keep
right.
it in.
Side. Yes.
Właśnie. Okay, so so now what is the variable?
You need to make it like I forgot like that sign that key that you use in the Gmail, like
At sign, yeah.
yes, at sign on ready from lowercase. It should be orange when you type it.
Range, you said?
Yes, orange.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it
It
doesn't
is
autocomplete for me. Maybe that's some setting. I don't know.
maybe. For now, you will be a self-made man, I guess.
Editor settings complete. Completion. Auto brace complete. Add type hints. Oh, could be good. Yeah, there's nothing. Okay. Anything after range?
All right. You need to type in var
Mm-hmm.
var.
Godot range. I will maybe look at some example also. It will help me to understand.
By the way, that's a pretty nice, neat thing. If you highlight the function, for example, but for example, if you see that, let's see, is on floor, for example.
Yes. Flow.
Highlight it with the brackets.
Floor, you said, or float. Floor.
Floor.
Yeah.
Try to highlight it with the brackets included, I mean. And then right click it and then look up the same symbol, I mean. Like, it doesn't work, sorry. I'm figuring out this function myself. Oh, without the brackets, without. You have highlighted it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now right click it and look up the symbol. Look up the symbol in the context menu. Just click it. It will open a pocket wiki of all the code that you can find in Godot.
With the right click, I don't see any symbol.
Like, look up symbol. You highlighted it like with your mouse on the side on the bottom. Look up symbol. You see it?
No.
But like, if you highlight is on floor, just is on floor.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when I do right
You
click,
right click it.
I have evaluate section, selection, fold, unfold line, lowercase, uppercase, toggle bookmark, toggle comment, toggle, I mean, indent, select all. No, there's nothing more than that.
I got to look up symbol.
I don't have it.
Oh, I don't. I guess that's the problem. Why do you don't have that under auto completion? You got mono version.
Mm-hmm.
That's maybe the case. Like,
You wanted me
but
to
in the
install the
normal,
mono version.
because you wanted C#.
Ah,
stuff,
yeah.
you know.
I want to be more C#, yeah. I want to
I
be
don't,
more in
I
this
don't know
field,
it,
yeah.
but you can own, like, try to click, you know, like, alright. You see that bar on the upper end of the script editor, right? Like
Oh,
debug, file, edit.
yeah.
On the right, you got search help. Click it. It will open an offline documentation. I call it wiki. You see it?
What should I see?
A search help.
No, there's no search help. It's only contextual help, but nothing happens. Oh, maybe I have to click on this. Okay, then I'm in the range. It's a class? That's okay. I will check the one you said. Is on floor.
Yes.
It doesn't know what to do with this.
Maybe you need. Also, it can check nodes for now, I guess. Let me see.
This is
Yes, it can check.
so complex.
Like, yeah. The fifth line. You see the extents? The green letters, the green line is the node that you have just extended. Like, you say it to the compiler that it's the parent of that thing. For example, the player is a type of character body 3D. You see it? Use the contextual help on it, on the beginning of the code.
No, really.
Like, first line. Extends character body 3D.
Yes.
Now you see that green stuff? Or it isn't green, like character body 3D.
Okay, this one is in green indeed.
So highlight it and then use the contextual help.
Yeah. Okay. And then I can see properties and other stuff.
Yes, that's how it works. Like a
Okay.
boss. You
Yeah,
can check all
it
the
only
stuff
worked
that you need.
with the shortcut. It didn't work when I clicked. Yeah, that's weird.
Maybe it's incomplete the mono version. Next time we can use
now it
the
works.
normal version, I
Okay.
guess.
Okay, so
Oh,
for
so far,
range I can also open and see what's going on here. Signals changed, value changed. And do they have this handle? Unhandled.
like what?
I was just trying to make sense of
I
this.
on 100 is. Let me say something. It's really easy to understand. 100 is like if it's 100 by joy, it's just for input.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you press a button, it's 100. If it's not writing the code, that it's operating in the joy.
Okay.
In the...
So let's continue then. Maybe let's try to see.
So you've written that var is on the already, right?
No, I just type it now. Var like this. I'm trying to also see. How should I do it?
Var from v.
Can
From
you send it to me through the Discord? Maybe it will be faster because it's
Alright.
I don't know the syntax, you know, so it's a little bit hard for me to understand what should I type. I am trying to look at the any tutorial because I never touched this. So
Oh, it's pretty easy. I can send you some.
yeah, if you send me, then I will get familiar with how to even start with this.
So I want you. Let me see. var. Let me just send it to you. Boom.
Thank you. On ready.
On ready means that it's being prepared to enter the scene. If it's called the ready function. Ready function is like it happens only once on the start. And
So-
the opposite of that,
So should I
the
remove
process
this
function.
range? Should I remove this range then?
Range?
Yeah, because this is what I heard you said.
No range, no range.
Okay. Okay, so I have on ready var main camera is equal to camera 3D.
The dollar sign that you see, it's like get node function, but shortened a lot.
Okay.
You can use it to call like children of the parent that you are in currently.
Does it need
Like
to? Does it need to match the letters, like how it's written here?
yes,
Because it's like a 3D
Like
with the uppercase D, for example.
yes. You cannot. You need to exactly type in the name of the node that you want to get.
Okay, so I will change it to the uppercase D. Oh, now it's green.
No. Yeah. Oh yes. Then it's green. Then it's nice.
Green is good.
Green is good, right?
All right.
Now it's like variable. Main camera is the node camera 3D. Like you just adjust that variable. You just saved it, written down that camera 3D is the main camera. Now we can use it to do a simple code.
All right.
Right. Now you need to make his work. I will just send. Alright. Maybe we will try by the mouse. Like, let's see. Funk. The next line. Funk. 100. How it was named? The floor. Like. Bart. Help. How it was named? Like sub.
Underscore?
Underscore, yes. Underscore. 100 input. Like 100 underscore input.
Yeah.
We've written it. How you have written it?
Yeah, I
You
have
can
it. Yeah,
write.
yeah.
It is that you have created instead. And then enter. You entered, right? You got to add one. If event is yes
like equal or is equal?
is just is not equal but is
okay, cool.
it's a logical operator too.
Wow, that's sick.
Some logic over here, right?
Well,
Right, let's see.
first time seeing it like
Input
this.
everything starting from the big case letter, alright? Input it's written together. Input event motion.
Okay.
And now you had double dot, but colon. Yes, colon. But not with comma on the bottom. Just colon.
Not with the comma.
Semicolon, I mean. Semicolon is wrong over here.
Yeah, I
You-
did
you
two
just-
dots. I did two dots.
Alright. Now you press enter again. Now you got two tabulation markings on the left, right?
Yeah, I have tabulation. it's inside.
I forgot. We need to make you got that already, right?
Uh-huh.
You copy it and replace the main camera with main body.
What do you want
Like
to do?
you see that variable already variable main camera,
You
right?
want to rename it to main body?
Main body. Yes.
Main body, okay.
And replaced camera 3D with player, or how it's named. On you it's named, I guess, character body 3D.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It's like it's in the inspector on the left.
Body 3D, okay.
It's green,
Mm-hmm. Green.
and you got that two already functions there now, right?
Sorry?
You got two functions that are already. Not functions, but variables, I mean.
Ah, you wanted me to do another one.
Yes.
Ah, okay. I thought I had to replace it. Let's do it quickly. Okay, now I have already two. Mm-hmm. I have main camera and main
Beside-
body.
Alright, main camera and main body. Now we've written down that the character body 3D is the main body. Now, under the if event is input event mouse motion,
Mm-hmm. Input event mouse motion.
and body, main body I mean,
Main body is equal.
not equal. Dot, we need to make this like refer to the function. Dot refers to the function with the custom names, by the way.
But we have to change the camera, not body.
No, we need to rotate the body so the camera will rotate too. In the one axis, I mean, like around.
Mm-hmm.
It's more nicer, you know, than just rotating the camera. Less buggy.
Okay, so main body dot
Rotate underscore
rotate
Y
Y
and then brackets and paste that thing that I sent you.
Okay, thanks. So what is it sense and what is it menu?
Oh, I forgot. I think you don't have this neither, so you need to create non-already variables now. It's pretty easy, really
Mhm.
easy. Piece of cake,
Okay.
I can say. So var on the start var sense and var menu, and one is like sensitivity of the mouse, and one is the you can send the menu to one. Because you must send one menu to one because it's like my system for locking the mouse button when you repaused.
So we don't need it, but okay. And for sense?
For the sense, you can, let's see how much it was. 0.01 and you need to make it float because it will be super speed.
And
Okay,
it
you don't want-
should be on ready or not?
Not. It's a normal variable. It's not executed.
Okay. I save it.
Right? So now it should be like it should rotate your body, but it shouldn't rotate it up and down.
Mhm.
The camera, I mean. Now we need to make another line. Just select the the space after the main body rotate Y. Enter, and let's make it quick. Let's just write in main camera dot
Sorry, which line?
new line after this.
23?
I don't know how much you got. Like
You don't see my lines?
it's you got after the main body function that we just wrote. Alright?
Not, we didn't write a main body function. We just changed this main
Like
body.
after the,
It's not a function.
not a function, but like
Yeah.
we've written the main body rotate Y after the if event is input event most motion, right?
Mm-hmm. And it's the same.
So
Is it the same if statement?
it's in the different block, like on the after the function unhandled input event, you got one tabulation marking. After if event is most input event most motion, there are two tabulation markings.
Yeah.
Now you got main body stuff and you press enter and the new line starts and you write in main camera dot
Mm-hmm.
rotation dot x, like we select the x axis of the rotation,
Mm-hmm.
equals clamp. We use a mathematical function now. I mean clamp. Maybe you know it.
No, you have to send it to me because I don't know how to do it.
CLAMP.
Clamp?
C.
What is
L.
clamp?
It's like it clamps two values.
But we don't have this
Like you-
defined. It's a function. Okay.
Yes. No, it's you need to place brackets after it, and in the brackets,
Mm-hmm.
main camera dot rotation dot x comma deg underscore 2 underscore rad, because
Okay.
in 3D we
So
use
radians.
radian. Yes, from degrees, because we use radians. How it was like radians in the Euler mode. Yes, in Euler mode. And create the next brackets inside of these brackets. And minus 60.0, you need to make it is a float. Without declaring it, of course. I'm just saying you it's a float. It's just a hint for you, like. Alright, now comma after the brackets. Deg to underscore 2 underscore rad. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
And now you do brackets again, and inside the brackets just 60.0.
Okay.
And now next line, new line. Just press enter. Main camera dot rotate underscore x. Open brackets. Alright. And now you need to say that we do the menu, so you need to enter this into the field, or into the brackets, I mean.
Okay. Done. No menu.
Oh, I forgot. We can also make this very simple. Like, you left the menu variable, right?
Yeah.
So instead of the thing that I've written now, right? It's wrong.
No, I know. But it's menu is 1, so it doesn't matter. It will be multiplied by 1.
Yes.
But yeah, I added.
Markdown, I hate you. Why you made this look that ugly?
I think you can
like,
do. Let me see if it works as in. At least this works in Slack. Let's see if it works here.
Like minus event dot relative dot y
Yeah, you can do
times
this.
sense. times menu. And now I will just make it copy. Alright, and in the new line you can, yes, like that. Oh, yes, thank you. And the code looks like that for exiting the window. So it, like we need to lock the mouse inside the window so we can move it comfortably, like in an FPS game.
Where should I put it? In
After
nested?
No, don't nest it. Just after it should be on the same level as
Mm-hmm.
if event is input to event motion.
Yeah, so should be nested. Okay.
It should be, but you know, on the same level.
Yeah.
Levels matter.
I mean, not anywhere
And
else.
now save it.
Saved.
No, it's the time. Press F5. F5.
Please confirm. No main scene has ever been defined.
Oh, you need this. Use the current scene.
Okay, there is 0. This is like the first time I'm running it actually,
Yes.
and it crashes.
It was.
No, I'm joking.
Let's see what's
Failed.
wrong in the debugger. Go.
Jesus, where to
Let's see.
start?
Like you got on the bottom of the page, you got the debugger.
So invite
Right.
expression term.
What you have made up now? Just tell me.
Sorry?
I'm curious. Just tell me what you made up. Like I'm curious. You made some additional brackets or something, because expression is like with brackets and stuff usually.
I don't know which one.
Like what it's in the debugger.
I don't have a debugger running. It's just the
Like
output and
you got the debugger, like, and then you got errors in the debugger tabs. Right? You have chosen it. And you seen something in it.
it's empty because I don't have any debugging.
So run the project again and let's see what crashes the project. F5 and let's see what's the error.
Fade build project, so it's compile error. It doesn't know what is this expression term for sure.
Maybe you placed a
Already.
semicolon already.
Already, I don't know what it doesn't know what it is. I also don't know how to do it.
Like
She has a lot
I
of
got like oh. Let me just screenshot how it looks on my side. 1 part and second, right?
Sure, man.
It should be all the necessary things right here. You understand what I've written here? I got a new variable, I got the already properly made. I got
So I have everything just by looking at your code. You use a function and you don't have this object.
what object?
Yeah, because this is the constructor of the object, override public. You don't have this in your example. It's not there. There's no class. You don't have any class. You have just this
Oh, you mean
function.
like extends is the class.
Yeah, you don't have this in your the example you have shown me.
Like I don't remember. You need to define your class. Like there's no main, It just extends character body 3D on the same top.
Yeah, what I'm saying
Top
is
of.
that this is completely different. That's why it fails. Because
Oh,
you see the public partial class. This is what was created for me.
oh.
And your code is
What?
different.
So what you made up? Because.
So I think that's the problem. It's just
Oh,
different code.
I'm sorry, because I made like this like the names of the variables are different and things are different, but it's just my thing because I rename everything in the inspector on the left, you know.
No, but that's not the problem. The problem is that I have a class here, you see? Class character body 3D. And you don't have it in your example. You just use functions.
What class?
Can you see my screen?
Wait a second. Can I need to turn on the live. Wait a second. Let's see what you can see over here. Let me just see on your stream. Streamer watching the stream. Let's see. Okay, show me the script.
So this is the script.
I'm looking. Like, what's the script?
I did it in
got
character body 3D.
You just like scrolled in. I want to see the script in the script tab.
Yeah, I think you have a delay because I showed
Yes.
it. Actually, the delay is really like. I don't understand. This is like a delay, like I did this.
That's like you're in the script tab, right?
Mm-hmm.
So show me what's in here. Like in the character body 3D script, because I don't really understand what's going on right now. I need to see your script.
Yeah, I think that
Like,
I don't know why. Why this? I'm just watching the. I'm just watching the stream, and it's completely somewhere else. It's I see like I'm playing with some values there.
you were playing with what?
This is not live. Because what I
Like
show
how?
live is just I show the script now.
I don't know, really.
You know what I mean?
You can always try on to stream it on Discord, I guess.
Can you see actually my
Just screenshot
screen?
the script.
Yeah, I will do it.
I can't see. I see your screen, but square one.
Yeah, I also watch the stream now, and it's completely different what we are doing. That's funny. So I will send you the code, which is just this. What? I cannot send it to you.
Because?
Your message could not be delivered. This is usually because you don't share a server with the recipient, or the recipient is only accepting direct messages from friends. What?
No, it's like it's something wrong with it.
I will retry. No, cannot send it.
Maybe try sending me a screenshot.
Yeah, I will try a screenshot then. This is hilarious.
Yes. Discord and its features.
Features of. This.
Also, you closed the tab again. I can see your cam.
Hmm?
You closed the collab cam tab.
No, I didn't.
So what's happened?
I don't know.
That's
I didn't touch anything.
you are not on my stream. Like you are not here. You disappeared.
Maybe.
Maybe. Alright, just
Because
send
I
me.
also look at the. No, but I'm live. But it just something weird is happening with this live stream. Because I see it, I watch it online, and I see just the scene when I play with the cubes in 3D environment. I don't see code at all.
Yes, me too.
Ah, that's terrible. Okay, I will send you the screenshot. Anyway, the yours. Where do I have this screenshots? Because you had the functions, you don't have any class object, and the class object was created by default by my Godot. So let's see this. This one
Right,
you
let
can
me see.
access. This one you can access. So you see there's
Why?
a public.
You are in Godot script or you are in GD script or in C#.
This is character body.
But in what language?
I don't know. Script.
Just a script, but you chosen what? Like
I didn't choose. It was
maybe
there. CS. It's a CS. So this is
C#.
C sharp. Yeah.
So you need to make next script just in the and copy it, don't delete it, just copy it over. All right.
Could it send it
The
to me
stuff
then?
that you like you need to. It was so it's so hilarious. Like dude, you just needed to switch one thing in here from the C# to GD script.
But I thought you were watching my
feels-
screen, so then we can do it easily.
Alright. I was like,
You would.
I wasn't like, sorry.
Yes, so that doesn't work. Good to know. Where I should switch it to Godot, because now I understand the problem, but
Oh, you should switch it like. Let me see. No, not like that.
so it'd be nice if you could draw on my screen and stuff like this. It'd be much easier.
Oh, you can extend the script. No. You need to right click the place where you create the script and try to make the new script.
Attach script. Okay.
And don't press create.
GD script.
but-
Okay.
Yes. And copy it over
Hmm.
the things that you've written down. Because it will take ages to rewrite it.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, now I gotcha. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm doing it. I just
Let
need
me
to
see.
remove. I just need to remove the old class then.
Yes.
What happened?
You just closed the scene. You silly.
I didn't close the scene.
You closed the scene.
No.
It's empty. Yes.
Which scene?
Like 3D scene. It's. And now you deleted everything. Like Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z.
I didn't delete
Or
it.
Yes, you did. Like scene on the main menu.
Yeah. Open.
You reopen.
No,
Closed scene.
I don't think you see my screen now. I think you see
I
think you see the not my screen. Because I don't
Alright.
even have this option. It's really confusing now.
Reopen closed scene.
No, I cannot choose it. You don't see my screen, I think. What do you see on my screen?
I see you chosen main menu scene. Yes, the thing that you clicked in the left upper corner.
Mm-hmm. But there's no option
And
to reopen the closed scene. It's great.
Yes, there is.
It's great.
Yes.
It's great. I cannot click it. Nothing happens.
Great, it's great.
Great.
Right, let's try. Great, yes.
Sorry.
So try to open the saved scene, I guess. Recent files, open recent. Oh. You got this function working. Like, of reopening the scene, close the scene. Oh man. Hilarious.
No.
Right, now you need to create the script.
Would be the best if you could just send me the script.
It's like, it's ready, I didn't want you to... I wanted you to learn, but alright.
No,
I
this
can do
is
one exception.
not going to work this way. Funk. Ah, that was before. Fuck. Okay.
Looking for it.
But I think I have these scenes. No? Yeah, I have it.
It's the...
I can see the box and everything.
Yes, you got the script reopened.
I can go to scripts. I have two scripts now. So I have to remove the CS.
No, you need to copy over the code first and then close it.
Yeah. So I will close this. No, I have to remove it. Because this one is not going to
Yes.
compile anyway. But I don't know how to remove it. There's no option to remove it.
Yes, there is.
Close docs, close, save.
File system. Left bottom corner, that's the file
Show in
system
file
inspector.
system.
Left. No. In the left menu, like on the left. Below the node inspector. Not in the script. On the left, like, you see the resources here.
Ah, file system. Here, okay. Go below. This one.
Right click script, that is CS until delete it.
Okay. So sense. Why is it red? Now
What?
to compare it with your script. Gravity.
Like,
Velocity.
like everything is like it's over mine, but I told you what it should be properly on your side. How it should be done properly.
And this is equal. Clamp. Still an error. Oh. Doesn't matter, I guess. So what's wrong here? Clamp. Ah, dot. You said underscore, so I was typing it. Okay. Rotation. Deck 2 rat. Okay, why this velocity is here? Do we need it? Because it
What
does
velocity?
line 10. I don't know if you see line 10.
His velocity is lightening by cows.
It's not in your code.
Keep it. Keep it for now.
Yeah, but it's red. I don't know why it's red actually. This doesn't say anything.
Like funk is. You need to complete the function first
I'm trying, but
because it
this is also red. Why this is still red?
like because you didn't complete it. Why it is all in C sharp? Let me get it right. Why it is in C sharp?
What is in C sharp?
Everything. You don't see. Public
No.
const. Using Godot. Yes.
There's no public const anymore.
But you do it in C sharp.
I don't do it. I remove this. I don't know if you see my screen. Do you see what I type now? Now I will type on the screen. Hello, Milo. Do you see it?
Wait second. We need to write over.
Because I think you don't
Because
see
it-
my screen, so that's the confusion.
Let's see.
You see funk, I think, on the screen.
Yes.
So you see the stream which is delayed like half an hour, I think.
Oh no. Alright, so write down what you are writing down. I don't mind you anymore.
Yeah, I think maybe we could finish the stream anyway because it doesn't make any sense. This doesn't work.
Like, alright, let's complete it, alright? It will. I promise.
Yeah, but you cannot see my screen, so we cannot co-pilot even. You cannot co-pilot.
We
me.
can. Let's just complete it, alright? But try and error,
how-
I guess.
How can I don't know how to. I don't know how to write
Tell
it.
me that. Tell me errors. What will be in the debugger? Which will be in the debugger when you play the project? That will work. And save your project before you compile.
Yeah, I'm always safe.
Because
Oh, actually F6 builds .NET project. I click it by mistake. Okay. Why is it red?
Because it's like completed function, I guess. Incompleted, I mean.
Okay, so I run the project. I don't know how to move because nothing worked.
Arrows or ISD.
Yeah, so this doesn't work. And I have something red on the top.
What's the red one?
I will send you
let
the
me see.
screenshot, but
Alright.
it's not going to work.
I tell you, we can't complete it right now.
Nah, I don't think so. Look,
Alright.
this is what I see and that's all.
Alright, let me see. Oh, it's the cube. It's the cube.
But it's a different cube, I didn't create it.
It's not your cube, it's an impostor, you say.
Maybe it's a little bit red like I did, but a little bit different.
I might know why it's like that, because it's something with a creeping. Like, with a clamp
And
function.
it doesn't react when I do WASD or I don't know if there are any other keys, nothing happens. Rotating
Send me a
right,
screenshot of your code, I guess.
camera rotation X. 9 camera, which is M camera. Character body 3D. Yeah, what?
By the way,
Hmm, hmm.
like, already var main body is like had dollar sign and dot in the quotation marks. It's like it's telling that itself is being called like I am the dot. The node tells that you extended. Like you got character body, it's character. No, it's yes, it's character body.
Okay, I will
The
send
dot
you
is
the
character
code
body.
because I don't understand. This is the whole code I have.
Right?
And this is weird because this script is in character body 3D node. And if you see...
By the way, sensitivity, you don't do flows like that. You do in the other way. I need to admit. I will tell you it next time, alright?
Okay, so
How
I
to
will
make-
remove it. Okay, so that was it was red. Okay. So this is what you do in C#. Now velocity. Now the only problem
you-
I have
you
is the
also
vector
ma-
tree.
You also did the tech lamp brackets wrong. I told you to deck to add one brackets and second deck to add second brackets, right? Not together. Do not nest it. I mean, because you
Mm,
nested it. One deck to add inside the other deck to add.
mhm. Yeah, that's right. This is wrong. I also removed the F. Okay. Okay, so this
It
is...
should detect type, by the way, automatically.
Okay, so it's done. It's fixed. Now I only have problem with line 9. There is a vector 3, velocity is equal to velocity. What do you have? You don't have this line. So I guess I
No,
can...
there is it.
Okay. Let me try again. Now it crashes. Rotate Y in base null instance of a null instance. Attempt to call function rotate underscore Y. Because, yeah, it cannot find the function rotate
It can't
underscore
find-
Y.
But we declared her main camera as camera 3D, right? Oh, I know. On main body, right?
Mm-hmm.
You need to replace the character body 3D with dot in quotation marks. I like I did.
Yeah, that's weird. Okay.
Because it's telling... Let me re-explain, right?
Let me use this one, yeah? Like in directories.
No, like it's calling itself. The node it's calling itself.
Mhm.
Like it's an equivalent in get node to calling self.
Okay, so I don't know how to explain it, but I think I'm falling down
Like how
because
much?
because
Go
why is when I look up, then I see the square is getting lower and lower. It's smaller and smaller.
You wait a second.
So I think
You have nested his one thing wrongly, I guess. Let me see on the stream.
yeah, I'm falling down. That's really cool. Now
Oh, you have missed it. The static body 3D has no shape. Like you have. What the hell you did? Like you did in the past. You need to note to pass self. Alright. You need to make his his first static body, right? You need to make a collision shape for it.
for what? For
For the first static body.
for ground or for
Both for ground and for if the box has known. Everything should have a collision shape, every mesh.
okay. Yeah, it's missing. So I will add the collision shape 3D, create, and it should have a shape of what? Box shape 3D?
Yes, box shape 3D. And make it like 100 by 100.
Hmm. I'm still falling.
By
100
the
by
way,
100. But why do we need this first static body actually? I forgot.
because it's like telling the engine that his part isn't movable. that it's very
Yes.
static, that
Mhm.
it's just keeping all the things, the mesh, the cohesion, the shape.
Okay. I should also see it in the 3D world. Okay. Yeah, I'm still falling, but at least maybe I should position myself also. The
Yes,
body
you should.
is probably too low. So I will put Y to 2, for example.
Yes. You can also move the body to higher, you know, because maybe you're falling through the ground.
So this is in a transform
Yes, in transform.
position. Okay, 2 for Y. Let's see. Okay, now I'm not falling, but I think I'm in the box or something.
You can switch anytime. You can switch to the 3D view and see what's happening.
Yeah. If I can see anything from that, maybe I will just put it somewhere really next to it. So okay, I can see the square, but I cannot move left or right with WASD.
In what sense?
It doesn't move. I can only move the mouse so I can move left, right, just to rotate and see what's behind me. But to walk, to have a step, I cannot do any steps. Should I be
Oh,
able?
I know why. Because I have his thing in the physics process. That makes me like, well, you should have UI stuff right here, but I will send you the screenshot, I guess. Wait a second, I need to make it like, right? Boom. You got it like that, or something else, like, but like without left, right, forward, and backwards are we left, up, and stuff, right?
1 second to switch to script. Where is it? Action, just press left, right. Yeah, I have this. You ask that? I have that.
But you don't. You have the default things, right? Here.
Yeah,
If you typed,
yeah, I didn't change it.
so you got the UI left and stuff.
Yes.
Alright.
But with the only exception that I don't have get vector left, I have get vector UI left. UI underscore left, and you have left.
Yes, this is like that. You need to have UI left right everywhere.
No, but your screenshot has left, not UI left.
No, it should be UI in a very like UI left, UI right, UI forward and stuff. Like
No,
it
it's
should have
UI up.
default stuff.
It's UI up.
Yes, it should be like that.
Okay. Then the rest is the same, I guess. Yeah. So I cannot move.
Why you cannot move? Let's think a little bit. Itsy bitsy man cannot move. Let's think. I know, maybe it's like you got input like I think you got. You can't totally move, right?
I cannot, yeah, I'm like stuck in place. Oh, okay. I can move. It's just not with WASD, but with cursor keys.
Oh yes, I forgot. You can always. Last thing you can do, you can always. Is you are comfortable with that movement style, or you can change? You want to change it? It's really easy. It's just swapping the names in the project settings.
That's okay for now.
All right.
I can also jump with the space.
You can jump really.
Yes.
You can jump on the box. That's the game for now.
Actually, I'm trying to jump on the box, but now I lost the box. I don't know where it is. I'm rotating. Oh yeah. I have to rotate myself, I guess. Oh, the box is there. Okay. I will go to the box and try to jump on it. But it doesn't stop me to move on the box, so I think that's something which we would need to fix.
Yes.
It's also for me too hard to say if I'm on the box now or not. But yeah, something works.
By the way, I could compile you my game. You could last thing we could test my game, how it works. You can deduct stuff from it, I guess. Editor, no. Help, no. Debug, no. Project tools. Export. Yes, export.
Yeah, if you have a compiled version.
I can do some.
But yeah, I guess going to finish for today. It's a nice,
Yeah.
nice working project.
Oh, I know what we can do for the end of the day. Go to the Discord. I will stream you something.
Okay.
Ekran, screens. Alright. Just look. Alright, infinity and beyond, alright? Boom. We got the warehouse simulator that I have around here. Boxes equals money equals power-ups. Power-ups
Yeah.
equals more boxes.
That's this
And
amazing
look now.
project. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Boom.
Nice.
You can throw the boxes around. It's a basic alpha, pre-alpha, but it's working for now. Not even a vertical slice, but proof of concept.
Oh, that's really cool.
I textured all the stuff over here myself. I modeled everything myself. There will be tracks, different areas, different levels, different crates, But
Nice.
for now, it also how my code looks. Just look at it. Like this for the pawn. That wait a second, I didn't show you the pawn. You can see the deliveries and pickups over here. In the left bottom corner. You got for the pawn. You got his port catching the boxes. And it should be like it's my next thing to do. Is to teleport player back if he gets stuck outside the map.
Nice. Cool.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
And
not much code, yeah.
Yes. I need to make and there's the full hierarchy of my nodes and resources.
Okay. Nice. I think
Yeah.
it would be nice to see this project.
So
like
maybe
game,
in a
yeah.
week.
Yeah. Let me know if you will have it working, then I can play it because it would be nice to see.
Like I will have some vertical slice ready, so I will send it to you.
Okay, nice.
You
Thanks.
will be my first texter, I guess.
That's a pleasure. That's a pleasure.
Hmm.
Thanks. That was really nice. I think I got some ideas how to build this, so I will try to maybe.
Note all the things
Right.
that all the ideas for the game that we do in this series. So thank you for watching. Thank you, Bart, for being with me over here.
Yeah, it was fun.
That's my first collab over here.
Yeah.
So, see you guys in a week, I guess, where we will continue developing his game in Godot.
Exactly.
And we will
It's
make,
always good fun.
yeah, programming the funniest thing over here.
Yeah, and easy stuff to do 3D stuff.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for
and
watching.
See you in the next.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See, yes.